Today's podcast is brought to you by Bandzoogle. Keep up the content. Yes, I will. If you're not already, drop me a follow, and if you feel like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, which can be found in the link in my bio. Now, that's not a question. The reason I'm reading this is if you want to create some awareness for your channel. That could be your YouTube channel, it could be your Instagram account, your Facebook page, whatever it is. This is not really the way to go about it. So even though it starts with a compliment, sort of a compliment, like keep up the content, so showing some appreciation for what I do, it then automatically goes into drop me a follow, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. For me personally, this would not be an incentive to now click on the page or go to YouTube to check it out. That's not how it works. For most people, this will not be a true incentive that will really, make them check it out. So what I would tell you, if you want to spread some awareness for your brand, for your pages, you would be better off just to leave some replies a couple of times that actually add some value. So either in this case, this is the comment section for the questions. Either you ask a question, or you maybe answer some other questions that you see that will get you noticed by other people. Like, hey, that person is actually sharing something. Let me see what he's all about or she's all about. Because in this case, nothing about what you posted tells me anything about what you do besides the name that has podcast in there. So I guess you also do a podcast. But you would be better off doing it that way by adding some value. Because in this case, this is a post where I ask people to send me questions for the podcast. And instead of a question, you're telling me to come follow you on Instagram and subscribe to your YouTube channel. I know a lot of people don't easily click away, and this will not be enough to make them do that. So that's just some advice, not just to the person who posted this, but if you're online looking to create some awareness, you're better off doing it by actually adding some value. So you just watched another video clip from my Share the Knowledge podcast. If you're new to the channel right here, make sure you subscribe, click on notifications, activate those, share the video if you enjoyed this video, and more importantly, make sure you share the knowledge. If you want to check out the full version of the podcast, you can go to iTunes, Anchor, and SoundCloud. Links to everything are going to be in the description box down below. Check out the Share the Knowledge group on Facebook if you're into that, and check me out on Instagram. Anywhere on social, the handle is djTLM. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Bandzoogle makes it easy to build a stunning website for your music in minutes. You can choose from hundreds of mobile-friendly themes and then customize your design and content in a few clicks with Bandzoogle's easy visual editor. Now, all the features you need for a professional website are already built in, including tools to sell your music and merch commission-free, mailing list tools to grow your fan list and send newsletters, and integration to pull in content from all your online services, including Twitter, Instagram, and SoundCloud. I use Bandzoogle to create the Share the Knowledge podcast website, and that was very easy. Bandzoogle plans start at just $8.29 a month and include your own free custom domain name. Now, if you want to try it out for free for 30 days, click on the link in the description box down below and be sure to use the promo code SHARE to get 15% off the first year of your subscription.